Hey, Amazon seller, what do you do if Amazon refuses to pay you and withholds your money? What can you do about it? Why that happens? How you can fix that to get your money back? In this video, we'll tell this to you. With me, David Miller. He's a lawyer. He represents Amazon sellers. He helps Amazon sellers get reinstated if you get suspended or stuff like that. We have David's contacts, all his socials in the description. Also a playlist with all our videos with David, over 20 videos, all about how to safely sell on Amazon. Yeah, David, what's up, man? Welcome.
Thanks, Vova. So when Amazon locks up your money, you're going to want to submit a funds appeal to Amazon's disbursement team. So that's different than appealing your account suspension. You're just contacting Amazon about the money that they're refusing to pay you. So Amazon typically requests specific documents that they want to see when you appeal for the funds. So in order to successfully appeal for your money, you're going to want to gather your business registration documents, right? So that could be your articles of organization, your EIN number, anything that relates to the business that you can provide to them to show that you own it. Government issued ID of the individual who registered the account. So that could be a license or a passport. Virtual assistant or other third-party information. Amazon wants to see their names, their emails, their addresses, and their phone numbers, as much as you have to provide them with. Business agreements with those same parties. So if you signed a contract that they would work on your behalf, Amazon wants to see that. They'd also like evidence of payment to show that you actually paid them, that you had a contract and you know their information. And lastly, how you learned about the third party and any invoices that you have from your supplier. So all of this information you're going to want to gather. The more of it that you have, the better chance that you can successfully appeal for your money.
David, and how can we know if Amazon withholds our money? Like, will we see it in Seller Central, or will there be like a notification, or how does it work, man?
So you'll get a notification. Normally, sellers are pretty on top of when payments are supposed to come through because that's
Good point.
how you're earning a living, right? So it's usually not something that you have to search high and low for. But typically, when an account is suspended, Amazon will also notify you that they are withholding payment from you, and they'll usually give you about a 90-day period to appeal for the account itself. But again, usually it's not a very hard thing to notice because sellers are on high alert for it because that's how they keep the business running.
Why though would they withhold the money, man? What are the reasons that they can refuse to pay us? Like maybe, as you said, maybe suspension, but or maybe some other ones, or what?
So if Amazon is accusing you of violating something in their BSA, right, their terms of service, they have the legal right based on the contract that you signed to withhold that money. Amazon is worried about their own liability. So for example, if you're offering counterfeit products or a product that is dangerous to somebody, any sort of potential violation, Amazon reserves that right. Sometimes it's related to Amazon's worried about being sued themselves. So they withhold money from you in case they need to use it to pay other people with. So there's a wide variety of reasons why Amazon does it, but it's almost always related to something that violates their terms of service.
Got it, man. So if people will need help with that, maybe specific case or other cases, we're going to leave your details in the description, email, or your socials, also the playlist of videos with you if they need more help. We give a lot of practical advice on how to solve things. And of course, if it's hard for you as a seller, or maybe you don't have time for that, you can talk to David and he'll help you. So David, thank you and have a great day.
Thanks.